Hare Krishna, I am Nishkinchan Das. Today we are going to speak of Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 47th sloka. Chapter entitled Dhyana Yoga. And this is the last sloka, sloka number 47. Yogi Nam api sarvesham madgatena antaratmanam shraddhavan bhajante yo mam samayuktatamataha. Of all the yogis, person with faith renders transcendental loving service unto me, always abiding me, always thinking of me. Me means Krishna is the topmost yogi. Of all the yogis, he is the topmost yogi. That is the opinion of Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says there are different kinds of yogis: karma yogi, jnana yogi, dhyana yogi, and bhakti yogi. So, karma yogi, a person who works without any fruitive result, he is called karma yogi. Then, jnana yogi, the person with knowledge realizes the supreme personality of Godhead, is jnana yogi. Then, dhyana yogi. So, usually nowadays it is very famous in the modern world. Yoga Day is also celebrated. So, everyone is doing some kind of yoga. So, yoga, dhyana yoga is Ashtanga yoga. So above that is Bhakti Yoga. So Krishna says of all these yogis, Karma Yogi, Jnana Yogi, Dhyana Yogi, Bhakti Yogi, of all the yogis, the person who always thinks of me within his heart, Yogi Namapi Sarvesham Madgatena Antaratmanam, the person who always within his heart thinks of Krishna with Shraddha, Shraddhavan, with faith, Shraddhavan, Bhajante Yomam. Bhajante, worshipping, rendering transcendental service unto Lord Sri Krishna. Bhajante yomam samayuktatama. That is my opinion, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. That is, he is the highest yogi who always thinks of Krishna within his heart. Yoginam api sarvesham. Madgatena, inside his heart, with shraddha, with faith. That is very, very important. Bhajante and faith. Very significant in this verse. So faith is very, very important. If you have faith, suppose you're going to some restaurant, you're eating some dish you ordered there and you want to eat something, if you're going and buying something from outside, so whatever you're consuming, you are sure that the person did not mix any poison or any chemical which is harmful to your health. So you have faith in that person that if I eat this from the restaurant, I'm safe. So whatever you're buying from some person, whatever you're interacting with the other person, is always faith is there in any relationship or anything. Always faith, Shraddha is always very, very significant and very important. So, so Ado Shraddha, if you have Shraddha in Krishna, that Krishna is the Supreme Personal Godhead and I am spirit soul, not this body, and my constitutional position is to love Krishna and to serve Krishna. So if you have that faith that Krishna is God and I have to serve Him, love Him, know Krishna, first of all you should know who we are. We are spirit soul. We are not this body. Dehinasmyata dehe kaumaram yavanam jara tata dehantara prapti dhira satranamati. In second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says everything about the soul. He says that this body is temporary. Dehinasmyata dehe. Dehi means body. Yatha dehe. Every second new cells are coming, old cells are dying. Body is totally changing. Dehinasmyata dehe. Kaumaram, childhood. Yavanam, youth. Old age, jvara. Tata dehantar prapti. Then you get another body. So body is changing. When you are small kid, that time you had one body. Now youth and old age, another body is there. So you are saying that I am the same person, seeing the photo, but actually you are totally changed. So body is totally changing. Even scientists have confirmed that once in 7 years, all the cells of the body change. So body is constantly changing, transforming. This they say growth, but it is transforming and you are getting new body and the old body is dying. So you call it change, transformation or growth, but old body is lost. So your old body of childhood body is lost. So do you cry for that? No, because you know that you are still existing. What are you? You are soul, spirit soul. So your spirit soul means you are not just body. So now we are thinking that I am this body and whatever in relation with the body is me and mine. And you are trying to be happy with this body and other things which are connected with the body. So it is becoming incompatible position. So we are trying to get happiness, but actually happiness is not coming because you are spiritual. You want happiness permanently, forever. Just like the body is lost in your childhood. Now we got another body. So you want permanent happy. Always I want to play. I always want to be happy, laughing, playing, enjoying. Always want to be happy. So your nature of the spirit soul is to be eternally happy, blissful, and full of knowledge. So, the nature of the soul is to be eternal, full of knowledge, full of bliss. That is there in the Supreme Lord. That's why we got these qualities. So, Ishvara. So, we should know first, we know who is the spirit soul. Then, we should know who is God. God is Krishna. Krishna says, Ishvara, Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadir Adir Govinda, Sarvakarana Karanam. Ishvara, controller. We are all controllers. I am control of this body, I am control of this house, wife, children. There are so many controllers in the office, as a boss. So many places we are all minute controllers in different capacities. So, Ishvara, Parama Krishna. Krishna is the supreme Ishvara, controller of everything and everyone. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Sat, full of eternity. Krishna is full of eternity, Chit, full of knowledge, and Ananda, full of bliss. Satchidananda Vigraha, he has a form. Sham Sundara, Krishna, form. Ishvara, Paramakrishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadir Adir, he is the oldest among old. When Krishna was there, nothing was existing. So Krishna is the oldest among old. So egg come first or hen come first. So tree has come first or the seed has come first. So Krishna says, Bija Ham, Sarvabhutanam, I am Ham Bija Pradapita, I am the seed giving father of all living entities. So Krishna, when he was existing, nothing was existing. He is the Purana Purusha. Ishvara, Paramakrishna, Sachidanand Vigraha, Anadir Adir, oldest among old. Anadir Adir, Govinda, his name is Govinda. Sarva Karana Karanam, he is the root cause of all causes. Hen came first or egg came first, tree came first or the seed came first. He is the cause of all causes. All the seed giving of all 84 lakh species and all creation in this whole material spiritual world, everything is coming from Krishna. Aham Sarvasya Prabhava, Aham Adi Devanam. From me everything is emanating. I am the root cause of everything. So, first you should know who is God. God is Ishvara, Krishna, Parama Krishna. Ishvara, Parama Krishna, Sachidananda, Radhe Radhe Govinda, Sarvakarana Karanam. So, you know that you are spirit soul. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, now with the Shraddha, Krishna says, with faith you have to love to Krishna, serve Krishna, think of Krishna, always madgatena antaratmana, always within your heart. If you think, love, serve Krishna, then actually you become happy and you become the topmost yogi of all the karma yogi, dhyana yogi, jnana yogi, bhakti yogi. You become topmost yogi. So that Shraddha, Atho Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Tato Bhajana Kriya, Tato Nivritti, then comes Nishtha, then Ruchi, Bhava and Prema. So Shraddha is very important. As I told you, Shraddha, if you have faith, going to some restaurant, I have faith that this person is serving me nice food without any poison. Like that, we should have faith in Krishna, that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and I am part and parcel of Krishna's soul, and to love Krishna and to serve Krishna is my eternal constitutional position. After knowing this, you should try to love Krishna, serve Krishna. That minimum basic thing is faith. So when you have faith, then you meet the person who is already having faith in Krishna. That is sadhu. Sadhu means devotee who is already practicing Krishna consciousness, bhakti yoga for long time, rigorously, continuously. So sadhu bhushanam, the person who is titikshava, tolerate, titikshava, karunika, shruhdam, sarvabhutanam. He is always, devotee means tolerate, he will tolerate everything. Titikshava, karunika, he is having so much of compassion on all living entities. Vaishnava means paradukha dukhi, he is very, very compassionate on all the fallen conditioned souls. So Titikshava Karunika Shruhdam, he is the best friend of everybody. Krishna is actually best friend of everybody. So devotee is also best friend of everybody. Shruhdam Sarvabhutanam. So he is of all living entities very equal to everybody. So we have to approach a sadhu, devotee, Vaishnava, who knows the science of Krishna consciousness. So your Shraddha towards Lord Sri Krishna will increase by approaching a sadhu. So when you approach a sadhu, devotee, Vaishnava, what he will say? He will say that chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Read Bhagavad Gita, read Srimad Bhagavatam. You might have already heard, many people might be saying this. So, devotee will say to chant only Hare Krishna Mahamantra, read Bhagavad Gita, read Srimad Bhagavatam, what is given by Lord Sri Krishna, what is about Sri Krishna, Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. So, by approaching a devotee, you come to know about devotional service bhakti more. So, your Shraddha increases. Then, you also engage in devotional service of loving and serving Krishna by Ato Shraddha, Tato Sadhana, Tato Bhajana Kriya, by chanting the Bhaja. Very, very important. Even in this verse, it is given Yoginapi Sarvashana Madgate Antarana Shraddhavan Bhajante. The word Bhaja is very, very important. So you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So this process of chanting and loving Krishna, serving Krishna, whatever Krishna wants, you love him, serve him, you think of Krishna, hear of Krishna, serve Krishna. That is bhakti. So your bhakti increases. Atto Shraddha, Tato Sadhasanga, Tato Bhajanakrit, Tato Anartha Nivritti, unwanted bad habits. The main root problem of this material civilization is unnecessary things. We are engaging our mind and our life in unnecessary things like social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, this, that, so many things are there to distract the soul from his original constitutional position of loving and serving Krishna. Other than this, if you are engaging anything other than Krishna, that is Maya. Krishna Surya Saman, Maya Arandhakar, Jahan Ole Krishna, Tar Nahi Maya Adhikar. So wherever there is Krishna, there is full of light. And where there is no Krishna, there is darkness, Maya. So whenever you are with Krishna, there is no adhikar of Maya, control of Maya. So Krishna Surya Saman, Maya Andhakar. Tar Krishna, Tar Nahi Maya Adhikar. So you always be Krishna conscious, always increasing the Shraddha by disengaging yourself from the unwanted bad habits. Tato anartha nivritti, unwanted bad habits, unnecessary things, engaging in other than Krishna, the activities is unwanted bad habits. Which is we are following this unwanted bad habits because we are conditioned from so many years, millions and billions of years, from so many births. We are taking birth in different species of life here, so we are conditioned. The soul is conditioned with this material body. In this life, we are having this material body, and so many lives we had so many material bodies. So we had this touch with the material nature from time immemorial. So all these unwanted bad habits has accumulated inside the heart. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that Chittodarpanam Marjanam Bhavan Mahadavag Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrikatran Udyavadujanam Anandam Buddhivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamritasam Swarapnastam Paramvishate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. So Chittodarpanam, washing our heart from time immemorial. The heart, the soul is getting contaminated by so many material entanglements, material attachments. So we have to cleanse our heart. Mirror of heart should be cleansed. By what? By Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So you have to keep cleansing your heart, purify your soul by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, engaging yourself in thinking of Krishna, loving transcendental service to Krishna. So all the unwanted, unnecessary, bad habits will diminish slowly, gradually. Things will diminish if you are seriously engaging in Krishna consciousness. Then your Shraddha will increase. First was Shraddha, faith. Then second was associating with the saintly person. Tato sadhu sranga. Tato bhajana kriya. Then you engaged in bhajana kriya, chanting and loving Krishna. Then while chanting and loving Krishna, unwanted bad habits were there. So anartha nivritti. Tato anartha nivritti. All unwanted bad habits will be removed slowly and gradually. Then the shraddha, faith will increase. Then you get firm conviction in Krishna. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. And I am soul, I have to love him and serve him. That is my constant position. So you see, a nishtha will increase, a firm faith. You'll get that Krishna is only God. Krishna is everything for me. So nishtha, your shraddha will increase with nishtha, firm conviction that Krishna is supreme person of Godhead. Then next is you get taste. Then you get ruchi, taste. That Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. You want to chant more, you want to read Bhagavad more, you want to read Srimad Bhagavatam more, Chaitanya Charitamrita, devotional activities, loving Krishna, serving Krishna. So you want to keep loving Krishna, serving Krishna, chanting holy name. You get the taste in devotional activity. Then your Shraddha will increase more. Then you get bhava, real feelings with Krishna. Then Krishna is in front of you face to face, how you will have the feeling? So you will have that feeling, that is called bhava. Then you get real love, pure, unalloyed devotional service and pure love to Krishna, that is prema. So these stages, Ato Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Tato Bhajana Kriya, Tato Anartha Nivrittasya, then firm conviction, Nishtha, then Ruchi, Bhava and Prema. With this, the Shraddha will increase. So, in this verse, 6 chapter 47 sloka, Yoginam api sarvesham madgatena antaratmanam Shraddhavan. This Shraddha should be increased from the basic Shraddha to Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya to Prema. So, the Shraddha should be increased. So, the whole human life is meant to increase and the love towards Krishna. So, Bhajahure mana Srinandanandana Abhay Charanarvindare Durlabha Manava Janama Sat Sange Taravi Bhava Sundare. So, the devotee of Krishna says that this human life is very, very rare. Out of many, many millions of births, you get this human form of life. So, Bhajahure mana, he is saying that this mind chant the holy name of the Lord. Bhajahure mana, Srinandanandana, whose holy name? Nandanandana, Shri Krishna. Nandanandana, Abhayacharana Ravindra, his lotus feet of Krishna is Abhayacharan. There will be no fear, fearlessness. Abhayacharana Ravindra, Durlabha Manava. This human life, after many 84 lakh species, on an average 8,40,000 lower animal species, a person soul takes birth and comes to this human form of life. This human form of body is very, very rare. So, Durlabha Manava Janama Satsanga. You have to be in Satsanga, Sadhu Sangha. By chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and reading Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, engaging in transcendental loving service towards Krishna. So, Shraddhavan Bhajante. So, this Bhajana Kriya will lead you to Krishna Prema. So, who is Krishna? Krishna is the Shama Sundara form. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusham Navayavanam Cha Vedeshu Durlabha Atma Baddha Govindam Adi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. Advaitam Achyutam. Krishna is Advaita. He is Achyuta. No one can fall. He will not fall down. He descends in this world, Avatara, but he will not be contaminated in this material world. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi Ananta Rupam. He has many. He is the oldest among old. Anadi Ananta Rupam. He has many forms like Narsimha, Vamana, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parishuram, Ram, Balram, Buddha, Kalki. He has many forms, unlimited forms of Krishna. So if you chant Narsimha, Hare Krishna, Rama, so Varaha Swami, he is all same, transcendental holy names. So he has Ananta Rupam, Adyam Purana Purusham. He is the oldest among old. Purana Purusham, he is a Purusha, male form. Adyam Purana Purusham, Navayavanam, he is always youthful. Krishna, if you see any picture of Krishna, he is never old, he is always youthful. Navayavanam cha Vedeshu Durlabha, he is very rarely attained by the person who studies all the Vedas. Vedeshu Durlava Durla Atmavata Govindamadi Purusham Nam Tamam Bhajami. His name is Govinda, and Brahma is praying in Brahma Samhita that Govinda is Supreme Personality of Godhead, Adi Purusham, I worship him. So Brahma is worshipping Krishna, Shiva is worshipping Krishna, all 33 crore Devi Devtas, they are called Devatas because they love and serve Krishna. So Krishna here is saying in Bhagavad Gita to increase your Shraddha by doing the bhajana, by chanting the holy name, worshipping Krishna, abiding in him, thinking of him. Thinking of Krishna, Bhagavata Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Mamesha satyam te pratijani priyasimi. So you become very dear to Krishna just by thinking of Krishna. Krishna says, think of me. Always think of me. Manmana bhava mad bhakto, become my devotee. Madhyaji, worship me. Madhyaji mam namaskuru, offer your homage, obeisances to me. Madhyaji mam namaskuru. Mamesha satyam. Krishna is guaranteeing and promising that he'll come to me at the end. So just by remembering the Shyam Sundar form, he's so beautiful. Krishna, blackish bluish boy, with so beautiful flute and is glowing like a millions of suns. He's so bright. He's so bright. He's wearing so beautiful, nice necklace, garland, fresh flowers, garlands, and yellow color garments, and he's glowing and he's so beautiful, Shyam Sundar form. So always think of Krishna within your heart. Love him, serve him. Then that person is the topmost of all the yogis. Karma yogi, dhyana yogi, jnana yogi, bhakti yogi. So in Satyuga, people used to realize Krishna, God, by doing meditation. The yoga, dhyana yoga, what you are experiencing in different places, that was practiced in Satyuga. Satyuga, people used to live for 1 lakh years. So on an average 60,000 years, 40,000 years, they used to meditate on Vishnu, Krishna. So Vishwamitra meditated for 60,000 years, and with the pile sound of Menaka, he begot children. So Valmiki meditated for 40,000 years. So it is very difficult. The yoga practice in this Kali Yuga, that time it was possible to do. The next age was Treta Yuga, when Lord Ramchandra has come. That time Havan, Yagna, Homa was done to realize the Supreme Personality of Godhead Shri Krishna. So only king used to afford that with pure ghee and igniting the fire, not with matchstick, with the mantra. The Brahmins used to chant the mantra and ignite the fire and do the Havan Hom Yagnas. So with that they used to realize Krishna. Then next stage, next yuga was Dwapar Yuga. In Dwapar Yuga, Archa Vigraha Seva, deity worship. And in this Kali Yuga, Hare Namam, Hare Namam, Hare Nama Ekelam, Kalo Nastya 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 Gatiranda. In this Kali Yuga, there is no other way, no other way, no other way. Only Harinam, 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 Eva Kevalam, only that. No other way, no other way, no other way. 3 times they are telling, no other way. Only Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Iti Kali Shoshana Nashana Mantra. In this Kali Yuga, Kali Kalmasha, all the unwanted Kalmasha, unwanted bad things and effects, ill effects of Kali Yuga will diminish if you chant the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, alone or with all the devotees together, to association of devotees. If you chant together, it will be having very, very transcendental effect. That is called Sankirtana. So if you are doing alone, Kirtana, Sankirtana, glorifying the holy name of the Lord together. Everyone come together and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So Yoginam api sarvesham, of all the yogis, the topmost yogi is the person who always thinks of Krishna within his heart, renders transcendental service to him, loving service to him, worshipping him, Shraddhavan with faith, Shraddhavan bhajante, you have to do bhajana, Samyuktatamata. That is my opinion. Krishna's opinion. Krishna's opinion is the person, devotee, bhakti yogi, who is engaging in transcendental loving service of Krishna, loving him, serving him, thinking always of him within his heart, Madhkatyana Antaratmanam. He is the topmost yogi. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.